Hello, in front of me I've got TCL Tab TabMax. In this video I'll show you how to manage Google Pay app. In the beginning, let's enter Google Pay app. And as you can see from the homepage of Google Pay, you can add payment method and different types of cards like loyalty, gift card and public transport. If you go to menu, you've got access to all of your payment methods, full list of participating banks, and your activity. In settings, you can enable or disable email updates, Gmail imports, purchase notifications, updates about your passes and offers and tips, and also you can edit your account info and privacy controls. Then you've got contactless setup, which is unavailable on this tab because it doesn't have NFC, help and support, send feedback, and in the end access to your Google account. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.